If you were hit by an Amazon delivery van, the claim may involve much more than the driver who caused the crash. I'm Chad Delventhal with Delventhal Law Office in Fort Wayne. We represent people injured in Amazon delivery accidents throughout Allen County and across Indiana. Amazon vans are everywhere on neighborhood streets, in parking lots, at intersections, and along busy roads. When a driver is rushing to finish a route, looking at a delivery device, backing into traffic, or stopping unexpectedly, a serious accident can happen in seconds. But an Amazon delivery accident is not always an ordinary two-driver claim. The person behind the wheel may work for a delivery service partner, commonly called a DSP. The driver may be an Amazon Flex contractor using a personal vehicle. The van may be owned, leased, or insured by a different company. Amazon may control important parts of the route, technology, performance standards, and delivery process. That means several people, companies, and insurance policies may be involved. Depending on the facts, responsibility may include the driver, the DSP that hired or supervised the driver, the owner of the vehicle, a maintenance company, another negligent driver, or Amazon itself. The labels used in a contract do not always answer who controlled the work or who is legally responsible. Insurance can be just as complicated. The claim may involve commercial auto coverage, coverage maintained by a DSP or delivery network, the driver's personal policy, an umbrella or excess policy, and your own uninsured or underinsured motorist protection. The important thing is not to assume the first insurance policy identified is the only coverage available. The next issue is evidence, and Amazon delivery cases can involve a large amount of digital evidence. The van may have onboard or driver-facing cameras. Route and delivery systems may record GPS locations, stops, timing, braking events, speed, and driver activity. Dispatch messages, delivery scans, work schedules, vehicle inspections, and performance records may help show what the driver was doing before the crash. That information may be controlled by companies you cannot access on your own, and some of it may be overwritten or lost if it is not preserved quickly. After an Amazon delivery accident, photograph the van, its license plate, company markings, and any identifying numbers if you can do so safely. Photograph the vehicles, damage, roadway, debris, traffic controls, and the surrounding area. Get the names and contact information of witnesses. Look for nearby doorbell, business, traffic, or security cameras. Call the police, get medical care, and report every symptom. Mate, save the crash report, photographs, medical paperwork, wage loss information, insurance correspondence, and anything the driver or company gives you. Be careful before giving a recorded statement or signing a release. A quick settlement may arrive before you understand the full extent of your injuries or every policy that may apply. If you were the Amazon delivery driver who was injured, you may have a workers' compensation claim through your employer. Depending on how the accident happened, you may also have a separate claim against another responsible person or company. Those claims provide different benefits and must be coordinated carefully. At Delventhal Law Office, we look beyond the logo on the van. We identify the driver, the DSP, the vehicle owner, the companies controlling the route, and every available insurance policy. We send preservation notices for video, GPS, app, dispatch, scheduling, and vehicle data. We review the contracts and business relationships, document the medical evidence and wage loss, and determine how the injury will affect your work and your life. That is what we mean when we say, we find what others miss. Indiana injury claims often have a 2-year filing deadline, but waiting that long to investigate can seriously damage a case. The legal deadline may be measured in years. The practical deadline for preserving digital evidence may be measured in days or weeks. Every Amazon delivery accident is different. The first step is understanding who the driver worked for, what the driver was doing, which companies controlled the delivery, what evidence exists, and which insurance policies may apply. If you or someone you love was injured by an Amazon delivery vehicle in Fort Wayne or anywhere in Indiana, call us early before the digital evidence disappears and before the companies involved decide how they want to describe the crash. Consultation is free. You pay no attorney fee unless we recover compensation for you.